Hi, this is Cindy, and I'd like to take you on a tour of the apartment that I rent out to construction workers and construction supervisors. The apartment is located in Toronto, Ohio, and as you can see, I'm outside. It has a separate entrance, so let's let the tour begin. First, we are entering the kitchen, and as you can see, it is very large. It contains a gas stove, refrigerator, plenty of cabinetry for storage, and as you can see, there is quite a bit of storage I have included in these cabinets. All the dishware and glasses. In the other cabinets are pots and pans and other necessary cookware. This is included in the rent. So if anybody should come into town and just needs temporary housing while working on a project, either at Samus or the Bard Energy project in Wellsville, this is rented out by the week or by the month. There is a dishwasher, crock pot, I provide that, coffee maker, toaster oven, microwave oven, washer and gas dryer. This apartment is fully furnished. And as I round the corner, first room here is the bedroom. Bed linen is included, and I do have a maid who comes in once a week on Sunday to clean. This bedroom has a ceiling fan, closet, and especially if a construction supervisor or superintendent is interested because they need to have an office here, there is plenty of storage for office supplies in the bedroom. As we exit the bedroom and pass through the kitchen, there's a short hallway here with a full bath with shower. I also include towels, washcloths, everything needed to dry yourself off after taking a shower. And here we enter the living room. As you can see, it is fully furnished. The sofa happens to be a sleeper sofa if two people want to rent the apartment. There is a working ceiling fan. TV, 19-inch color, VCR, with cable, basic cable included. Window air conditioner. And I'm panning around the living room now. As you can see, it's there's plenty of light that comes in. And what is included in the rent is, well, number one, it is fully furnished. I provide all the cooking utensils needed. Heat, water are also included. Electric. It is gas heat. Off-street parking. Private entrance. And the apartment happens to be located 405 feet away from the exit and entrance to Route 7 off of North 4th Street. This is another closet. So there is adequate storage here. And one thing before I forget, there's the telephone, and we also provide local and unlimited long-distance service. So no additional expenses in this apartment. It's cost efficient for the worker simply because they can cook here and not have to eat out every day. And I look at it as a home away from home. If any construction workers who are working between Steubenville and East Liverpool, either on the Samus project, the Bard Energy project that will be starting up in Wellsville, or any other short-term projects here in the Upper Ohio Valley, please call me to get on the waiting list, because it's the longest this apartment has been vacant is 12 hours. And the phone number is area code 740-537-5536. Ask for Cindy, or I can be emailed at cynberea@yahoo.com. That is CYNBEREA. The view now is from the kitchen window, showing the Robert Urich Interchange, 4th Street exit to Route 7. And, oh, by the way, we have a patio and use of the gas grill. Once again, 740-537-5536. Email cynberea@yahoo.com. That is CYNBEREA@yahoo.com.